The battle over short-term rentals and the rules surrounding them in New Orleans is heating up.
That's right. Last week, a judge dismissed a lawsuit by Airbnb challenging short-term rental rules in the city, and now the company plans to appeal that decision. WDSU's Jonah Gilmore live outside the appellate court. Jonah, is there a timeline on when this could happen?
Well, Gina, right now there's no timeline on when that could happen, but Airbnb tells me they are disappointed. Now, people on both sides of the STR argument hope the ultimate decision is in their favor. The battle over short-term rentals in New Orleans fights on as Airbnb plans to appeal a judge's ruling.
We have basic constitutional rights, not just state rights, but constitutional rights that we feel eventually should be upheld.
Last week, Judge Jay Zhang dismissed a lawsuit by Airbnb and New Orleans residents. He says there is no fundamental right to rent out homes short-term, upholding the city's authority to force platforms to confirm listings are legal.
We're driving tourism dollars to the city, and again, not just to downtown, but to all over the city.
In a statement, Airbnb says, "We are disappointed in the district court's recent decision, which overlooks the fundamental rights of New Orleans homeowners, vowing to appeal the ruling."
In 2023, 75% all units were Airbnb were illegal.
Groups like Jane Place Neighborhood Sustainability Initiative have pushed for STR checks and balances. According to Wyfring Southall, STRs have created quality of life issues he called a nuisance.
There's issues of trash, noise, parking issues happening in neighborhoods.
Southall agrees with the judge the current rules should remain in place.
Now it's turned to a multinational corporation that's gobbling up affordable housing.
I think there needs to be.
But STR advocates argue the rules are unfair and could be better.
We would like to just see is some clear, concise, legal guidelines and have them stick. And as for the appeal, that will come in the future as courts certify their decision before appeals can proceed. Airbnb added the court did that on Friday, saying it's still early in the process. Reporting live in New Orleans, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.